Leitung mun tuam tuama kongit zomi ulanao. Expanding your horizon pan homework leo leung. Novel coronavirus COVID-19 huzapto. Leitung hun siat lai takin zomi le leitung mi khem beu to pan. Hong kem bit da he chi in. Nang zo na tungin na pokin la khat leng khat. Hi video tongno kong bol zel nau ben nisema izat technology te zomi ten pheng zat noin tilna in transform zo leng chi be kanim hi tuni in zong iPhone and iPad tumpan Mangpau sinzia ding ong om son nuam leo leo kung hi ben Mangpau sin nom te ading chi na hi beka asyam khin sa te le siam akisakhin te ading tua hi manin asyam khin sa nahile video nen swak non ke in na mun be pam mai so ai manhi mang pau pen mang te mai in hong hit le I thei dan pen wi bun so hi pau le ham khat isin tak chiang in angi na u azat dan culture courtesy chi te zo I thei tua te khem peu hi sunga akim ngai ding hi lungroi le kim takin asinun na theilo khal sungin Mangpau a thei bek ai ke dinga na sia ni hi iPhone a hi ke le iPad tung panin podcast akichpe mekin podcast na mek hit chiangin such box sunga tuana mu bangin English 101 GKN learning English 101 namu chiangin subscribe making
Hi everybody, my name is Alicia. In this lesson, I'm going to talk about how to use would for unreal situations in the past and in the future. I'm going to talk about making statements and making some information questions. Let's get started. Okay, I want to begin by talking about using would for past situations. So for past and future situations,
hibangina English 101 pan video to audio to bao kisin thei ding hi ila to changina arang khat so ong lang pe lai ben apai jaran kiwang lari podcast song pan mai na pai ring in hi search box mana all ears English podcast chi make to song ding ina to pan subscribe make lao lao ding chi dan hi
How to do it in English. Welcome to the All Ears English podcast, downloaded more than 130 million times. We believe in connection, not perfection. With your American host, Lindsay McMahon, the English adventurer, and Michelle Cap.
Nasin cherun la hi phong tung pan lai sin ahoy na Sangkah man lo Sangkah man ni lo Nasep chi te a ding na iman na I phong tung pan I sinzia thei ai ni sa mai hi video ben back bi ai ke phial sungin lai lungul Mangpau sin nuam khal ni a ding na phat tuam na ding in kalamen hi back bi tunga naming